Hi, I'm Paul Friedman, founder of the Marriage Foundation. Here's the topic. I want out, but I don't want to hurt our kids. It's very powerful that you feel that way. You're correct. You're right. You obviously already know that the damage is dramatic. It's intense. And I bless you that you're willing to stay and endure for your kids' sake. But I want you to know you could have it all. Not just save your kids, but you could bring back that love and that joy. It's a methodical process. You have to learn how, and you can do it. And that way, it's not just, I'm doing it for the kids. I'm hanging in there for the kids. Because I'll tell you the truth. Over time, yes, you may feel that way now, but if you don't start working on your marriage, the burden of carrying this unspeakably horrible marriage is going to grow and grow and grow. You know, it's like holding a light weight right now. You could hold it out there, but it gets heavier and heavier and heavier. And pretty soon, you're going to weaken. We don't want that. Now is the time. But if you're already at this point, please don't just read one of my books. And it just so happens that our courses are on sale now. So take advantage of it. Get the course. If you're a woman, get the course for women. It's a 12-week course. It's so inexpensive for what you get. If you're a man, take the online course for men, but do it. You'll be so happy that you did. This is really, really important. You are so beautiful that you're willing to stay for your kids, but I want you to have it all. And you can have it all. I'm Paul Friedman. I founded the Marriage Foundation. God bless you and take care.